Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to rename your earbuds Energy System Style 4 in the application. You have to start by open Smart Connect application. Of course, you should add your earbuds to the app and then you will see them at the device list. Tap at your earbuds. After that, you need to click at the pencil icon at the right top. Now, near to your earbuds, right here, we have also a pencil icon. You need to tap at this icon. Then we have the name. Tap at the name line. And right here you can write the best one for you. You can also remove some text. Let's say I want to remove this one, and let's add something like this one. The most important is to click confirm to save this new name. And we just did it, as you can see right here. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!